Me, by the way.
Oh, on Facebook.
Facebook. All right. Good. Loosen the middle back. It's still a little tight.
Oh, yeah. I mean, that travel all everywhere. Oh, I feel like I could run a marathon. See, now I'm getting above myself. I'm getting way ahead of myself.
And you
now.
can run a marathon, and then you'll find your boyfriend on that marathon.
Yeah. No, he'll want me to
Ken will
run.
find his boyfriend.
He'll want me to run all the time. I'm just doing it. I cannot wait to go back and tell everybody.
Let's go.
And
How does that feel?
It feels wonderful.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Did great.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
Goodness, I cannot wait to tell everybody.